Okay, today we will start with the part 3 explanation of the chapter Children at Work. Previously we have done the explanation of we have completed the explanation of part 1 and part 2. After the part 3 we will be discussing the question and answers. So let's start with the explanation of part 3. And Velu, so the girl's name was Jaya, and Velu walked along the roads for half an hour. So from that Kalyan Mandap they almost walked for more than half an hour, and they again came to a bridge across a dirty trickle of water. We are in Triplicane now, and Jaya said that they were in Triplicane. See, that's Buckingham Canal, said Jaya, and there was and that very filthy drain kind of water, and she said that it is a Buckingham Canal. Okay, Velu stared. This was a canal. Near some puddles of water was a row of strangest huts he had ever seen. They were built out of all sorts of things: metal sheet, tire, bricks, wood, plastic. They stood crookedly and looked as if they would fall any moment. So what happened? Jaya brought Velu to her home, and it was not home actually. It was a kind of a slum. Okay, and the homes were built up of all the scrapped material: metal sheet, tires, bricks, things that were not used, wastage, right? And they built a home out of it, and they stood very crookedly. It was not in a proper shape, right? And it was just a thatched place, just a shelter where you can protect yourself. It was not even a home, not even a proper home, and they stood very crookedly. And crookedly means very wickedly and without any proper strength, and it appeared that it would fall any moment. And now Velu asked, "Is this where you live? These houses are strange," said Velu. "In our village, the houses are made of mud and palm leaf." So Velu said that in village we have small houses, but they are made up of mud and palm leaves. How your houses are made up of these elements? Okay, Jaya, and there was a question because he had not been to slum, he had not been to cities, so it was very obvious for him. Jaya went around to one of the huts and dumped her sack outside. Okay, and then she picked up an empty one. So she dumped one of the sacks and she picked up another empty one, and she said, "Let's go." She turned to Velu and gave him a shove. Shove means a shovel. Okay, "At least help me now. Here, wear these and come with me." So she gave him some clothes, and she also gave him a shovel, and she told that at least now, because I have given you food and everything, and as you are going to stay with me, just help me. Okay, and a shove and a stick into his hands. Velu was confused. What work did she want him to do with these things? The only work he had ever done was on a landowner's farm, weeding and taking cows out to graze. Are there any farms in the city? So he thought that, are there any farms, because he did not know that other than farming there could be any other type of occupation that could give him money. She laughed and thumped her stick on the ground. Okay, farms? There are no farms here. We are rag pickers. Rag pickers? See my sack full of things I collected. Collected from where? Asked Velu. From rubbish bins. Where else? You collect rubbish? Velu had never heard of such thing. So he had never heard of the thing that these trashes can be collected and people could make money out of it. Okay, so you collect rubbish. Velu had never heard of such a thing. Hey blockhead, it's not any rubbish, only paper, plastic, glass, such things. We sell it to Jam Bazaar Jaggu. So she collects all this and sells it to some Jaggu in Jam Bazaar. Velu was puzzled. Velu was surprised. He had heard of people throwing away rubbish, but why would anyone want to buy rubbish? So he was very surprised that people always throw away rubbish things. Why anybody will buy it? So he questions, who's Jam Bazaar Jaggu? Why is he buying all this? You think he buys it for a show? He sells it to a factory. Come on, I don't have time to waste like you. And the girl tells and the girl tells that this Jam Bazaar Jaggu does what? The Jam Bazaar Jaggu sells it to a bigger factory. Okay, come on, I don't have time to waste like you. And she tells that she doesn't have time to waste. And Velu did not move. He hadn't run away and come to this new place to dig through garbage bins. And he thought, I did not run away from home to do this, to pick up trash from the garbage bin and sell it to somebody and for the money. Jaya poked at him with her stick. Look here, she shouted. If someone gets there before us, we don't get anything. Don't just stand here posing, big hero. I am trying to help you. Who filled your stomach today? Velu scratched his head and said, I'll do it for now, he thought, until I find a better job. Okay, so he thought, at least he will get some kind of money to eat and to satiate his hunger until he finds some better job. So this story is written by Geeta Wolf, Anushka Ravishankar and Arijit Sen, and this story is a part from this story is a part from a bigger story that is called Trash, on rag picker children and recycling. Okay, so there are comprehension check and there are also the exercise question that we will do it in the next video. Okay, thank you very much. Hope everybody will be doing well and keeping safe. Thank you.